I've made over $5,000 with the methods listed in this video, and you can too. What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you 4 ways that you can make money playing video games. Let's get right into it, guys. I'm not going to waste any time here, so let's go with method 1. Way number 1 is Players Lounge. Players Lounge is an online wagering platform that connects you with other users at the click of a button. You can play head-to-head matches, tournaments, or with friends for real cash. Not only is this a fun way to make money, but you can make a lot of it. There's people on the site that make $50K, and you can be basically you're matched up with your own skill level. There's a 1 skill level to 5, and when you're just starting out, you start as a 1, then you move up to 5. And if you're at that 5 spot, you're definitely the best, and you'll be collecting the most money on the site because the money rises to the top, and that's where you want to be. The top people on that site collect like $50K. They play a lot, but that's a lot of money for playing video games, you know? And you can do that on top of streaming and other things, which we're going to talk about in our next ways. Way number 2 is selling virtual currency. There's people that sell their MUT teams every year for thousands of dollars, and you can sell Madden coins for, like $20 for 100K, and you can sell 2K tokens for the same price. My team tokens, and there's other games out there. I know there's online games like RuneScape was a big one where people bought virtual currency, and there's other ones too. And this is something that you can do if your game has virtual currency, or you can sell your profile, any virtual currency in the game that people would like. If you have all the camos on Call of Duty, I'm sure someone would buy your profile for that. So virtual currency. The third way is streaming your games live. You guys might know about this, but some people may not, so I'm going to include it anyways. Basically, you can stream your games live on any platform and begin to film. After a while, you'll begin to form a little following, and that could grow into more if you're really good at the game. And as you grow, you'll begin to grow your content. People will subscribe to your content, and then you'll begin to make some income off the Twitch affiliate, off ads, and also off of sponsorships, and also off of donations. So this is something that you can carve out a solid income of $50K. The top guys make millions, but you can carve out a solid income of $25 to $50K with some work. The fourth way is becoming a video game tester. You can get paid $20 an hour for this, and you can work long hours testing all the features of the video game. And there's people that make $20K a year doing this. And if you love to do it, then it's for you. That about wraps it up. Peace.